Hey y'all, and welcome back for another vlog. As y'all can see, new scenery. This is actually my hometown, so when I say I'm a country girl, listen, this is what it's giving, girl. No street lights, no neighbors, none of that. But I'm here for Father's Day weekend, so hair is wash and go from Uncle Funky's daughter. I actually used the super curl first, and then I went in with the curly stimulator on top. Fluffy, curls are defined. I like. So we're going to the beach today. This is the fit. I have this bathing suit is actually a one-piece, and then I put on these shorts from Amazon. They are also part of a two-piece bathing suit, but my cover up because we have to go like to the grocery store and stuff to get some stuff before we get to the beach. So yeah, introducing y'all to another vlog. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoy my content. I do videos on pretty much everything: natural hair, pharmacy, vlogs, lifestyle, luxury, yeah, literally all the things. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will check in with y'all a little bit later. So considering I grew up here, I never realized like driving through a tunnel is such a big deal. So yes, this is the actual tunnel. We're driving through the water. I just had to show y'all for the theatrics because I feel like when I tell people, it's like a aha moment.
That's the beach right over there, Bianca.
You never been around here, Bianca?
No. What kind of beach is this? Yeah, I ain't never been to this beach before.
Well, we're gonna explore and put you on your blog. This is where they had a concert right out there, Bianca. The concert.
I'm vlogging now, Mom. They so excited to go to this beach, y'all. I thought we were going to Virginia Beach. This is just beach.
This is the private folks beach.
This is a private beach.
It's a bougie beach. Okay, Grandpa. Where is Harris? This is Harris. What the heck? Y'all, what is this? This is, tell us you in the hood without telling us.
This look like the ghetto Harris.
Oh,
I'll be on guard.
y'all, we need to say a prayer before we go up in her. Apparently they got good sandwiches though. He's a regular. Y'all see look, he's a normal. He's a regular. He gonna know the people and everything. The salad bar is good, and they got fruit. Oh, they got sushi. I might get sushi. Where's the up here? See, Dad, what do you get? The specials? Oh, the lunch pack. So you get a sub, drink, and potato chips. Yeah, I got these shades from the Dollar General. How they look?
I don't bother you no more, man. Put some more black pepper in there. Can you put some more black pepper in there? Yeah. I appreciate that, sir. I'll let you know when it's time. I'll let you know. Keep going. Oh, that's enough.
It's on sale.
It's my first time having a sub. I hope it's good.
I do too, because I'm about ready to get me one.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
You getting ready to go on lunch?
It said that you get it anywhere you want.
Oh, yeah.
You get to watch and make it. So.
Yep.
Processing 1386.
Thank
Cars
you.
on your side.
This is it, Bianca. You blog, got your blog.
Yeah, girl. I'm always vlogging.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm Watch out, we're in somebody's picture. Is the camera on the ground? Oh, sorry.
The weather is perfect. Yeah. Be right back, okay? We got this little thing from the Dollar General to put some water in. Let me see if I can do it and hold the camera, child. You just shoot it out. Look at him shiver.
You know what to do with it? Alright. There you go. Get TT, don't get big.
You gotta pull it.
Ready?
It's cold.
Get her, Lucy.
It's cold.
Get her. Get her. Get her, Lucy, get her.
It's cold.
Get her, get her.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Throw it away. Acting like this ain't mean nothing to you is your time.
Ooh, you got a castle. Yeah. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see Bianca. She was a good girl back in the day. No, she touched you all day. Well, I still love her to death.
Love you, Daddy.
That's my baby girl. On this Father's Day weekend, I know she got a good gift for me.
Say hey.
Wait a minute. Hey.
No. Woo. I have nothing to do with this hair.
Yes, you do.
So we're about to go eat dinner now. The beach was a good time though, y'all. Ignore this little mark on my shoulder. I was carrying the cooler to the car and I guess my skin bruised, but we're about to go get dinner now in my old stomping grounds, Norfolk. No, I'm not a few. If you know, you know. But I went to school out here, so let's see if y'all can see my outfit. Kinda. So I still have on my cover up pants. It's kind of a bop whole time, and then I have my bathing suit top still, and then child just got these little slides. I mean flip-flops from the beach. The shoes do look a little country, but the actual outfit is cute. Let me see if I can get it in this angle. Oh, she cute. You want to say hey to the vlog? Say hey, babe.
Purple.
Yeah, that's purple.
What color is this?
Orange.
What color is this? Come on, man. You're smart. What color is this?
Purple.
Stay in the line. Uh-oh. No. Stay in the line. Uh-oh. No. Stay in the line. Stay in the line.
You gotta see everybody.
Uh-oh. No, you stay in the line.
Your drink, ma'am?
Are these the only two that come in the mason jar?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Which one of these are like sweet? Or are they both sweet?
They're both a little bit sweet. I would say the pig is less sweet.
Can I do the fish?
Sure. I've got our fish right here.
Thank you. Looks good.
This is a meal?
That's a meal.
This is what I want.
And do you want pork or chicken?
I just have the food. This is what we call B-roll, so audio will be over this.
I actually know that.
We'll get this B-roll with me getting this dip while y'all playing.
You need to stop playing. Wait, okay, what
This
plate?
audio will actually be included.
What plate are you getting?
She couldn't wait, y'all. She was so hungry.
Angry, man.
The guy ain't even bring the plates out yet.
Everybody at the beach. I'm not hungry.
Jasmine's like, y'all ready? I'm ready when y'all are.
Where is that cheese?
No, some dip.
Ooh, the chips are good. Oh, I feel like I need to sit up. Do you want to be in the vlog? I'm steady looking over here.
People.
Comment below if you know who this man is.
First and foremost, let me explain something to you. Dr. Mike Girls just came into a restaurant and ordered a drink named after a meal. When have you ever walked to the bar and said, hey, can I get a fish? Where they do that at?
It was a signature drink
Called
for
the
crying
fish.
out loud.
Called
The name of the restaurant is the Fish and Pig.
Okay.
You should have ordered a drink called the pig.
This is my family, y'all. This y'all first time meeting them.
Let me introduce myself.
He wants to be a YouTuber so bad.
Notice my stance has changed. Notice that I'm officially serious. I'm just playing.
Tell him your name.
Cut all of this. I don't want to introduce myself. You can find me on all platforms. J Bosco 22. That's J_BOSCO 22. I'm masterful in all things. DJing, producing, mixing, mastering, tennis, soccer, football, basketball, cricket.
He wanted us to laugh, y'all. Laugh, laugh. You got added us the laughing trap. Because nobody laughed. Good morning. The sun is in my face. Good morning, love. Whew.
Hey, girl.
We're about to be going to church. I have like a few minutes to spare because my mom is singing in the choir today. So I got my computer. You know we don't waste time. I'm probably going to edit a video. I do have a video coming out today though, on Sunday. So make sure y'all check it out. Then I have this blotting powder thing for my makeup, just in case it gets oily. My dad is watching me vlog. But yeah, that's it. Can you hold the camera then? Hold the camera. Just hold it right here. This is my outfit of the day. This dress is from Bloom Chic. If you did not already see the haul, it's already linked on my channel. And then the back is out. Super cute. And then I have on these these sandals from Nordstrom. And that's it. So yeah, I will probably not vlog in church, but I'll check in with y'all after church. Bye. All right, y'all, so let me turn down the music. We are at church now, but I wanted to show y'all my earrings. One thing about my mom, she gonna find her some cute earrings and get me together, baby. These are coming back with me. These are super cute. They're from Dillard's. She said it's a black-owned business too, and y'all know my heart. Not the lighting. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. So yeah, black-owned business. Super cute. The detail. I feel like when I wear my hair back, yeah, these will really pop. It's like a triangle, but it has the gold detail. Can y'all see it better from this view? So yeah, that's that. And then I showed y'all the deets on the outfit, but I'm waiting on the rest of my people to get here. My mom is already on the inside because they had to rehearse before going to sing. So I'm just waiting on my brother and them. But this, I don't know, on the camera it don't look that bad. Felt like I should have gone a little bit over on this side on the brow, but we move. Anyways, I'm gonna just sit here and wait for the fam bam to pull up on me. Pull up on me. So yeah, check in with y'all later. Ooh. One.
Then I thought somebody was barbecuing. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
Y'all. Are you for real? Are you sure? Yeah. What's going on? How do you turn that down?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
About to cool off
Look like I need to stop, drop, and roll.
now. Tell Bianca I know what I'm doing over here on this grill. Thank you.
Hey y'all, it's Editing Bianca. So listen, the vlog was a good time, okay? Quality time with family. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I tried to keep in like a lot of the live clips without putting music over it, just so y'all can hear and get a little cackle and giggles, because child, we be laughing. I laughed the whole entire weekend. But if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are not already subscribed, please consider joining the fam. We have a good time over here, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.